We're in Kingswood Park today where we have just planted a redwood Wellingtonia to replace the tree that fell down in recent storms. It's a tree that was chosen by the local friends to replace this and it's something that we've all just joined in planting. And it's really good that we've done this today because it's actually the 10th anniversary of the Friends of Kingswood Park. It's been a pleasure to join them today.
Replanting trees, especially large trees, is incredibly important for the climate and nature emergency, as trees are nature's way of capturing carbon and reducing the effects of carbon emission. So we're really pleased to be replanting this tree today that when it's fully grown will be about 30 metres tall. Hedgerows are also incredibly important for biodiversity and climate change.
And some people may have said that the redwood that we planted today isn't a native tree. However, it's been chosen because of its excellent carbon capture capabilities. But we have got plenty of native planting here, and we've got this new hedgerow that's been planted in Kingswood Park that is packed with native bushes and trees and will really help with our biodiversity in the area.